April 9th, a little after 8:30, a Florida Highway Patrol trooper was heading south on 95 in Miami-Dade County when he reported seeing a speeding car weaving in and out of traffic. It was a Friday night. You can see the moment he turns on his police lights. The driver of the black Dodge Charger complies, pulling over. The trooper gets out and stops to chat with the driver through the passenger side window. In his report, the trooper says the driver passed him an expired medical marijuana card, and he noticed the smell of marijuana and a bag with a green leafy substance in the front passenger seat. Less than a minute later, you see the parking lights change and the driver speed off.
Billy, took off me.
The trooper runs back to his cruiser to give chase and let dispatch know what was happening.
Where you? Heading south on our ferry road.
The trooper follows along on the shoulder, maneuvering around a tow truck.
95 southbound, north of Miami Gardens. Getting over Miami Gardens.
The trooper sees the driver get off the I, but by the time he gets to the off-ramp, the only thing visible, skid marks and a lot of smoke.
Let me see your hands!
In 3 minutes, you start to hear the sirens, and then more troopers show up. In the distance, you can hear what sounds like screams. The driver, identified as Leonardo Raxat, crashed into a tree in the ditch and was transported to Aventura Hospital. Inside the car, troopers say they found LSD, a Glock-style gun, and a fully loaded high-caliber magazine. Robin Simmons, 7 News.
A traffic stop on the highway takes a wild turn for a local trooper when a driver he's pulled over puts pedal to the metal and takes off. NBC6 reporter Stephanie Bertini is live at the jail where the driver is being held tonight. Stephanie?
And we have the dash cam video that led up to that arrest. Watch and listen.
I-95 South near Ives Dairy Road in Miami-Dade, just after 8:30 p.m. on April 9th. It looks like any other traffic stop at first. The state trooper approaches the vehicle, makes contact with the driver, but within just a few minutes, things take a drastic turn. That driver puts his foot on the gas and takes off.
Billy, took off me.
The trooper follows the car, riding the side of the expressway to catch up. An exit away at Miami Gardens, the chase ends. What you don't see in the dash cam video is that the driver crashed and got hurt. The trooper approached to help, but also warned him. Backup arrived, and that's when troopers say they learned after searching the car that 19-year-old Leonardo Raxich wasn't only driving recklessly, that's why he was initially pulled over by that trooper, but investigators say he had drugs in the vehicle. A modified airsoft Glock-style gun was found in the vehicle too, and investigators said the orange safety barrel tip was cut off, along with a fully loaded high-caliber firearm magazine. The young man facing several charges now, including possession of cannabis, resisting an officer, and reckless driving. Why did he take off? The arrest documents say that trooper told him he would be searching the vehicle after Raxich appeared nervous during the traffic stop, according to the trooper, and couldn't make eye contact with the trooper who was questioning him.
Also, it said in the arrest report that the young man produced an expired medical marijuana card to the trooper and that at some point the trooper smelled the marijuana in the vehicle. I'm reporting live, Stephanie Bertini, NBC6 News.